So in last lecture we have seen coordinate axis and coordinate of point. Now next point is reflection. Okay. So basically first of all we understand image of an object in mirror. So when an object is placed in front of plane mirror, then its image is formed at the same distance behind the mirror. Okay. So as the same distance behind the mirror as the distance of object from the mirror. So first, that means if you are standing in front of mirror, suppose for 5 centimeter at 5 centimeter distance, then the image formed behind the mirror is also at 5 centimeter distance. So we are going to see. So here you can see the figure in which we have given a line AB and this point P. Okay, so PB point and AB will given line. So AB is given line. Now draw PM perpendicular to AB. So we have drawn this. Okay, so basically consider this as a mirror. Okay, and this is the object, and from that object we have drawn perpendicular line up to this point, that is PM. Okay, so PM is perpendicular to AB. Okay, now produce PM to P dash. Now this PM is produced up to PM dash. Okay, so this portion, object behind the mirror. Now this PM and P dash M is equal because P dash is the image of P in line AB. So P dash is the image of sorry is P dash is the image of P on the line AB. Okay, so in this way we can show that the image of a point P in line AB is a point P dash such that AB AB is perpendicular to PP dash, and if PP dash cuts if this PP dash cuts AB in M or at M, then again we can say PM is equals to P dash M. Okay, so in this way we can show that point P has image as P dash with respect to line AB. Now image of a point in a point. So let's see what is meaning of it. The image of a point P in a point M is a point P dash. So image of a point P in M is a point P dash such that M is the midpoint of P. So this is nothing but midpoint of P dash. Okay. So next we will see some combination of reflection. Now, as we can see, this is point P in the xy coordinate axis. Okay, so reflection of P in x-axis. So first important result is reflection 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 of P. So P has coordinate at x comma y in x axis. That means this point is reflected with respect to x axis, so it will come it will come here, and it can be shown as p dash. Okay, so x will be remain as same, but coordinate y or ordinate is going to change its sign. So basically p dash will give us x comma minus y. Similarly, second result, important result is if the same point P is reflected along y-axis. So if I reflect this along y-axis, this point will come something somewhere here. Okay. So let's denote it as P double dash. So in this case, you can observe that the coordinate y is going to be same, the coordinate x is changing. Okay, so it's become negative. So we can say reflection reflection of p x comma y in y axis will give us, let's denote that point p double dash, and the coordinate of x axis is going to be changed, coordinate of y will be remain same. Now, so third important result is reflection along origin. Suppose this is our P point, and we just reflect this P point along the origin. So if I reflect this here something, so okay, let's denote it as P triple dash. Okay, so obviously its x coordinate and y coordinates are going to be changed. So P is going to be changed along the along the origin into p triple dash, and its coordinates will be minus x minus. So these are the basic three important results with regarding reflection. Okay, so the last point of this chapter is combination of reflection. So combination of reflection is basically if you have point P and we are reflected it in y-axis follows by reflection in x-axis. So this can be shown as, in short form, this can be shown as r suffix x r suffix y equals to r suffix origin. Okay, so if just consider this as axis. Okay, so basically the reflection of P in y axis. Suppose P is here, okay, and we have reflected in y axis, means its image will be going to form here. Suppose that is P dash, and again reflection in x axis. So reflection in x axis means this point will reflected somewhere here. So basically we can directly reflect this into here, and that is reflection along origin. So this is our result. Next point is reflection of P in x-axis followed by reflection in y-axis. So again, let's just draw the diagram, sorry, coordinate axis, and the point is at here, suppose P x y. Okay, so reflection of P x y in x-axis followed by reflection in y-axis. So first reflection in x-axis, so this will come here, P dash, x will be same, y going to change, and again reflection along y-axis, so P double dash, and both point will be negative. So this can be given as, so basically I have written this, okay, r y dot r x equals to 0. Okay, so let's see third point, reflection of P in x-axis followed by a reflection in the origin. So again, just draw the diagram. See, observe the reflection as they say. So point is here. So it is reflected in along x-axis. So it will come here, and from x-axis it is reflected to origin. So origin means in this position. Okay. Something here. Something here. Okay. The coordinate will be, so x coordinate minus y. So this coordinates will become minus x y. So that is nothing but log naught Rx equals to R y. And finally, in same manner, we can reflect uh, first reflection along y-axis and followed by reflection along origin. So followed by reflection along origin will give us reflection along x-axis. Okay, so these are the basic four results which you can use to to simplify the reflection of the points along the coordinate axis. So these are the all point which we have covered in this chapter. Okay, so I hope you have understand it. We will stop here. Thank you.